go. Alright, so we got the E46 up on the hoist. As you guys can see from the last clip, I have to say I'm not fully satisfied with this open diff. It doesn't allow me to have the fun or enjoyment I'm looking for when driving a European luxury automobile. So, you guys can see we have already started to strip around the differential, and we're gonna be welding this shut so we can get both of these rear tires locked up and have a little bit more fun with this car.
Yeah, I think that's tightening it.
Oh, look at that go.
I'm just pushing it, right? Ah!
Crushed my fingers.
Smooth tire. To undo these. Oh fuck, those are tight.
What if we hit with the drill?
I don't know if the drill's got enough space.
We have one side of the axle boot off. This one we are working on getting these bolts off, but just the angle with the exhaust, we decided to take the hangers off the bracket just to give ourselves a little bit more room to get the ratchets up in there. All right, boys, put a little bit of work in. We got pretty much every bolt out. We're about ready to drop her. You see, she's loose. We've been trying to get the sway bar down to clear this because the diff hangs over a little bit. We have nothing holding it in. We've flexed the sway bar down. We just got this through, and that's all that's holding it. Right there, once that's popped, it's coming down. I'm gonna put the phone down. A little bit of elbow grease later, we got her out. Ladies and gentlemen, let's just hope we can get her back in without taking the sway bar out. We stripped this bolt, so we didn't even crack it, so that's still tight. This one we just gotta put back in. You guys can see the diff is out. Got our welder set up. That power fist. The guts. There they are, baby. Yeah, I know, it smells fucking nasty. It's like...
He's always...
racist, bro? Yo, look at that, just clean out, bro. There's no going back now, brother.
You sure about this, eh?
We got her open, we got her cleaned. I'm not gonna be able to look, so the camera is gonna get the first view.
Put the helmet on.
Yeah, but where is the helmet?
Alright, boys, don't look.
Don't look. These guys are out here. Okay. Hold up. This is how you weld an E46 diff. Let's get it.
Sure about this, eh?
Never done this before.
Yow! Yo, how much camera is that?
There she is, baby. Holy. Alright guys, we cut this little piece. Woo! Yo! Drop that in there, that's hot, bro.
He's fucked.
Yo!
Are they walking in? Are they coming in?
We're good, close your eyes, boys. There we go. The kid did it again. The Beamer Tech.
Yo, she's locked.
Lined up.
It's like that, right?
All clean. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, we got our little Walmart. We had to make a Walmart run.
1 liter.
Fresh oil, baby.
Yeah, that does not look like engine oil, bro.
First ingredient,
700.
gear oil. Second ingredient,
Flash.
just a little bit.
Nah.
Yeah. It said gasket sealer, bro. We looked at the pack. It's a little thin, bro.
Maybe it dries out, you know?
It did say a minute, bro.
Yo, why you going so slow? Yeah, I was gonna say a minute and I started tweaking, bro. I was gonna say, holy shit.
Shit doesn't look like what they used in the video.
Nah, it's
this shit
thick.
looks mad thin.
Yeah.
The stuff in the video is
I
like
think
a-
it's supposed to be
a
orange or
toothpaste.
black or gold.
Yeah,
Yo, the color doesn't matter, fam.
So we might.
Hitting this?
Yeah, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Line it up perfect.
There she is.
More down, more down. Yeah. It stops dripping more, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I think
Yo,
it
I feel
might
on my
not go in.
fingers. It is hardening up.
Yeah, so it might not go in, but don't even.
Back in.
Back
Yeah, lock this boy.
Oh, yo.
No, back a bit.
There she is. She's in.
Shit.
We got the big nut on this side.
She's in, boys. Quick little update. We also spray painted it bronze. Don't know why we did that. Doesn't make sense. It looks like it's completely rusted out now. But still look we're going for, baby. Yeah, send it. We got it back in.
Should have did it white.
Should have. Yeah, we're gonna do it white, but
Alright.
didn't think.
Photographer.
She's in, baby. This one in?
Oh, I think so, yeah.
Let's see. Rear subframe bolts. 57.
57.
Yeah, might as well about to put
This guy was gonna torque it to 80.
Beauty. See no leaks?
Alright, axles are connected, control arms in and everything. We noticed there is slight leakage right in there
To no surprise.
and right.
Pretty slow on the way anyway, so we can't back up.
Alright, we got the car down, we got her running, we backed her up a little bit, doesn't seem to be any problems as of right now.
Feels like their own little mini project going on.
What's going on, boss? What we got going on here?
Trying to figure it out. You got spider web going on?
So see the back, see like this little area.
Yeah, but which one? These ones?
So you have to hide all of these in like this. Like so.
And these have to go through.
You guys are blocking the entire driveway. We want to see if this boy rips. Alright, this guy's car is stuck in the way. He's doing his steering wheel, so we're just gonna push it. I don't think we know about it, though.
Yo, put it in neutral?
Put it in neutral.
Oh, wow.
Here we go, boys. Alright. Okay. Huh? Yo, I might just drive up and down the street first, bro, before I try to drift it. Yeah, if you want. What was that noise?
That's a fucking welded Diff. That's he's gonna drive. He's gonna destroy it, guys.
Guys, just cruising around right now. It's Dre's car up here. Dre's behind the camera. This guy can't drive his car right now. Diff's welded. I'm blown away on how quick we actually got this thing in. First time ever. This is like probably on the scale of like one of the most serious mechanical things we've done. If you want to even call this mechanical, it's pretty ratchet. But it all went good. No bolts stripped beside one, but it didn't really get in our way and we didn't really pull it out. Car's driving all right. You can feel it definitely on some corners. I'll maybe make a little more like detailed video later, but we are headed to the lots and we're gonna have some actual fun.